Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headline them. America Embassy in a Jamaica put out one security alert yesterday where them tell all of them citizens for not travel go certain place out here. The NCB Financial Group are the latest private sector company where say all of them workers have to be fully vaccinated. Dr. Grace McLean, was the acting permanent secretary in the Ministry for Education, Youth and Information, get sent yard after one bad report come from the Auditor General's Department. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican to hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. America Embassy in Jamaica put out one security alert yesterday where them tell all of them citizens for not travel go certain place out here. The place them are Cassava Peace, Augustown, Grand Spen, Standpipe, Duane Park, and Mountain View Avenue. On top of that, the embassy say them citizens no for go nowhere in a Clarendon except for when them use the highway. As according to the embassy, shooting and gun violence gone up over the past 2 weeks in all of them places there, so them no want them citizens there. The NCB Financial Group are the latest private sector company where say all of them workers have to be fully vaccinated. Patrick Hilton, or the group CEO, signed off on the order Tuesday. As according to the NCB Group, all of them workers, the one them who in the office or who are work from home, have to show them vaccination card on October 31. Any worker who not get at least one dose of the vaccine have to show one negative PCR COVID test every Wednesday. Them have to start show the negative test on November 3 and them have to pay for it. But any worker who can't take the vaccine for medical reason have to show them medical record to the NCB doctor them on October 31. Dr. Grace McLean, was the acting permanent secretary in the Ministry for Education, Youth and Information, get sent yard after one bad report come from the Auditor General Department. This come after the Auditor General, Pamela Monroe Ellis, tell Education Minister Faithful Williams say what she see in the report from the Joint Committee for Tertiary Education, JCTE, she have to call the police for come looking at things. The report did go to Parliament Tuesday gone. As according to what the Auditor General find out, the Education Ministry give the JCTE $124 million and them can't see what the money spent on. The Independent Commission for Investigation charged one police sergeant for shooting family member. The man is Sergeant Oswald Francis and them charge him for shots made out of spite in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday, October 12. The Office for Director for Public Prosecution did give one ruling said the policeman must get charged. One barber stab and kill one vendor in a St. Ann Tuesday gone. The dead man, a 21 years old Darnell Baxter, who come from Aristotown in the parish. As according to the police report, around 10 in the morning, Baxter go to a barber shop near where him sell goods. One casket start between him and the barber stab him. People rushed him go hospital where doctors say him dead. The police said them are looking at what one. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.